Northwest Montana can still make her cry. Too many long nights without him. And when Charles M. Russell gets to painting the sky, she's all alone in the shadows. Well, she's much too pretty for living alone. He's too stubborn for taming. He's riding the range at a camp with no phone. She's all alone in the shadows. And the wind in the sagebrush whispers him down. It whispers him down to his wintering ground. She knows the deep snow will soon bring him down. She's gonna wait for her cowboy. Last time I saw her, I was working the bar. Got some good bars in Montana. I bought 'em a couple rounds and they jumped in his car. They were gone in the blink of his taillights.
See now? He's out in the open now.
Whispered him down. Whispered him down to his wintering ground. She knew the deep snow would soon bring